Seedance AI review. Is it the best AI video generator? Let's get started. So Seedance is an advanced AI video generator offering both text to video and image to video capabilities. It excels at delivering multi-shot cinematic sequences with smooth camera movements like pans, zooms, and tracking, all at 1080p quality and about 41 seconds per 5-second clip. So what Seedance does well is it offering cinematic multi-shot storytelling. It also has a fast and affordable high-resolution output like HD videos. They also have creative control, which supports detailed prompts in both English and Chinese. They also have smooth motion and camera control. Although it falls short on the no audio support yet, so even though it can create images, there's no audio for support yet. They also have a video length cap at 10 to 16 seconds. They also have a limited global API access, and it lacks the visual editing tools. So in conclusion, Seedance is legit and technically impressive, a leap forward in cinematic AI video generation, and it's ideal if you need a short, high-quality marketing clip, teasers, or visual storytelling quickly and affordably.